Hello everybody, welcome to Coding Upgrade. I'm Server Satir. In this video I will show you how to use Astra premium templates for your WordPress website and how to customize it with Elementor Page Builder. And before that, I just want to tell you, if you want to know more about WordPress and programming or AI, you can visit our blog codingupgrade.com and also barkup.com. Our website links are available in the video description. Also the resources or the things I used in this video, all the links will be available and accessible to make it easy for you in this video description. In this video we'll need to use Astra free theme, Astra Pro and Astra premium templates, and also Elementor and Elementor Pro. That is not really 100% required, but I mean the Elementor Pro is not 100% required, but Astra Pro premium templates will be required because we'll need to use some premium templates from Astra templates. Okay, now I want to close this tab, and here is our website admin panel or dashboard. And when you come here, you can check your theme from here, appearance and theme, and the Astra theme is installed, and there is a new update on it, and I don't want to update it right now. Okay, now I want to check the plugins. I have just 10 plugins here: Astra Pro, Convert Pro, Convert. These are the add-ons for Astra and Elementor and the Pro version of it. Also the premium starter templates. And these are the things we are going to use. Now let's check the website. Do I have anything on my website or no? I think I have just one page, sample page, and here is I think there is no proper page even existed in my website. So I want to just go back to dashboard, and right now I want to install a template on my website, which is a pre-made template. So it just takes 3 or 4 minutes to build an entire website using templates, and they're just pre-made and make our job very easy. Then we can customize it according to our need. Now I want to go to C library. After you click on C library, then you can choose your page builder, Elementor, block editor or beaver builder. I will choose Elementor, and then here you can search for starter templates. There are categories here. If you have a business website or an e-commerce, you can choose or filter them from here. For example, I want to create a blog. I can go to blog section and I can choose the type of websites I want to make. For example, I want to make a food blog. I choose food blog, and the templates will be appeared here. And now these templates are premium, and even there is free templates here. If you didn't purchase the premium templates of Astra, then you can choose a free one from here, like this, and vlogger. So now I will choose one of the premium templates from here. Which one do you like? Tell me. This or this? This is not about food website. This is a tech news. For example, I want to choose this one, and then it will show you the template without or before installing this on your website. Okay, now this is the template website. You can check and review it before installing. It is still loading, and because of my fast internet connection, it can't load very fast. Yes, and I think it is almost loaded. I think it is pretty nice website. We can customize it. Any of the things which is which you can see here, we can customize. Now I want to just if you have a logo, you can directly upload your logo here, and the resolution or the dimensions of logo is already mentioned here. I want to just skip and continue. Now here it is the colors. If you have a specific brand color for your business, then you can customize these things later. And if you don't have, you can choose any of the colors you like. So let me check some of these. I think this is more serious. I like serious things. Okay, now this is the fonts, and Montserrat is already chosen, and I think this is a very common and good font. Now let's continue. If you want to give your information for Astra Premium templates, then you can add your name, email, and your type of developer, beginner or intermediate, the purpose of your website, why you're using this. And if you don't want to give this information, you can just skip. Okay, share non-sensitive data, you can uncheck this one, I think. And now let's just submit. Nice. And this is our website template, and it's completed. Now I can check my website by view your website, clicking on that, and here is our website. Now we don't have any specific name or title for our website, and now if we want to customize these things, we can do that. Now first of all, let's check the page. This is about page. I think this is nice because we didn't check all the pages one by one before, because we can customize it. These are the reviews page. There's also mailing list from here, and videos and contact. Let's check them. It's checking what we have. It's really necessary to know what's going on in the website. And these are the social media icons. So there is no any specific link declared for them, so we can change anything in this website. First of all, I want to change the website logo, and I really forgot to make a sample logo. I just want to pause the video for 1 minute, then I will resume it. And I am back. Thanks for waiting. Okay, now I have made the logo, and we want to name this website, for example, healthy food. And if I want to upload the logo here, I will just need to click on customize. This is not Elementor customization, because it depends to Astra or the theme itself. So I just need to click on the customize, then I can click on this button here. It's like a pin. I think it's pin. And now I can choose to change logo and upload my logo. You can upload up to 2 gigabytes of data. Now I choose desktop, healthy food, and click the logo and upload. And the logo is uploaded. Now I can name this like healthy food. Now select this, skip, and the logo is uploaded. And now I can publish this one and check the website here. Wow, I think the logo is so nice. And now I can customize this board, this image, this information, and then I want to click on this edit with Elementor, and it's very easy to edit and customize with Elementor. It asks me create smarter with Elementor because this is a new feature of Elementor, and you can use even Elementor AI to create content for your website. Or if you want to use Elementor AI, you can use Elementor AI to generate content, but I will have a specific video to how to use the Elementor and Elementor AI, and now I don't want to use Elementor AI, so I just change it or update this headline, and here you can also update this. For example, here, welcome. After any change, you can click on publish. And now if you want to replace the image, you can click on the image and choose image. You can choose, I want to use this one, and it is changed. Now if I want to change this information here, I can also change. These are icon boxes, and all of these information can be changed, managed from the same places. For example, I can change the icon for YouTube. I want to choose some other platforms, social media platforms like Twitch or Twitter. Then you can change this information, or this one. You have 2 million subscribers on Twitch, or followers. I think they say followers on Twitch, and Instagram, or you can add your Facebook profile here. If you want to link this to your social media accounts, you can click here and add your social media link. For example, if I want to add my Instagram link, now I want to update this and preview the website. Now you can see there is a link on this button. If I click here, my Instagram will be opened in the same window. It doesn't open because I haven't logged to any of accounts in this Chrome browser. If I want to open this on a new browser, I can click here and save. Then anyone click on this link, it will take to a new tab instead opening in the same tab. Okay, publish. And now if you want to choose this section, you can click here and you can delete all of these as featured in it can be your clients. If you have some clients, you can add their pictures, their names, or their information here. If I want to choose this one, this layout, and this is a column, this layout, I can click on here. I can replace the logo, so you can edit them. If you have a similar logo sizes, you can add them, and you can completely edit these sections. For example, if you want to delete this, you can delete this column entirely, this column. If you want to add some people here, you can delete this and add another column here. I want to add a new container. Click here, and now you can choose testimonial, casual, like this. You can add 3 different people or items here. If I want to add top customers or clients of mine here, and I can add 3 or more people here. And if I want to add, I can click here and choose the item. Also I can write the names. Alex, choose, this is Alex, and this is Mary, and this is the third person, which is Sarah. Okay, these are our clients, and now I want to publish this and check the website. These are our clients: Alex, Mary, and Sarah. Nice. And this is Let's Reviews. We can also customize this. I can change the image, change the title and the description. And in these sections, based in class restaurant, so these are some menus or the foods in the restaurant, so we can customize every single thing here. And this is the mailing list. You can also customize here by clicking, and you can customize every single thing in this website with Elementor. And I think I'm going to stop the video here. So if you have any questions about Elementor Astra, you can leave that in the comment section. I will be happy to answer your questions. So we will have more video tutorials in this channel about WordPress, Astra, Elementor, or anything related to WordPress or blogging. So make sure you have subscribed to Coding Upgrade, and don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment on this video. And have a good time. See you in the next video.